Welcome to Crewe Seat. Today we have a Seat Ibiza 1.2 FR finished in Nevada white. As you can see, this is a 5-door model. It's the 110 PS 6-speed. Features on the car include LED daytime running lamps built into the headlights and front fog lights. The car comes with 16-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. 12 months tax on the car is just £30, being on the old tax scheme. There's also parking sensors at the rear. The Seat badge doubles as the boot handle. Giving a practical loading space and the option to extend the loading by folding down the 60/40 split rear seats. Car seats 5 in total. There's a black cloth interior. Has front electric windows and mirrors. The option to fold in. There's also automatic lights. Another multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. The car's covered just over 12,900 miles. There's a large touchscreen media display with DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming, hands-free calls, satellite navigation and traffic updates. There's also air conditioning and storage at the front with a 12-volt power source, USB port and 3.5mm auxiliary. If you'd like any further details or to book a test drive, please ask for Patrick here at Crewe Seat. The number is 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.